Start.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to unbox a V8 smartwatch. Yesterday is my birthday, so it is a gift. So now let's come unbox V8 smartwatch. And it is V8 smartwatch. It have megapixel camera. You can see the photos capture here. It is camera. See, camera. And you can call anyone. It have a SIM slot and memory card slot. I put a SIM Airtel in it. You can see we can call anyone. It is asking Bluetooth call or SIM call. SIM call. It is going. Next. You can see it is have Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, browser and QR code, and it is a Bluetooth smartwatch with Wi-Fi connection, and you can listen music in it, you can record anything, and it's a Bluetooth. You can see images in it, you can see movies in it, exclusive. So this is the V8 smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy this watch, link in the description, and also comment and like, share, and also subscribe. Okay.